Welcome to the channel. If you're hitting the trails, the right pair of shoes can make or break your run. Today, we're covering the best trail running shoes, hand-picked for their grip, comfort, durability, and ability to handle tough terrain in all kinds of conditions. Whether you're an experienced trail runner or just starting out, there's something here for every stride and surface. Be sure to check the description for the latest prices and detailed specs. And if you enjoy gear reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Let's lace up, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Brooks Men's Trail Running Shoe. The Brooks Men's shoe is designed for runners and mountain hikers seeking adaptable stability and trail-ready protection. This carbon-neutral certified product features waterproof Gore-Tex technology in the upper, offering a lightweight, flexible fit with breathable protection against the elements. Comfort is enhanced by the DNA Loft V2 cushioning, which provides softness over any terrain, while the Trail Tack green rubber outsole ensures excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces, using 25% recycled material for eco-friendliness. The shoe's Trail Adapt system incorporates an integrated midsole with an articulated ballistic rock shield, protecting your foot without sacrificing flexibility. Zonal outsole pods give extra control for a stable ride on uneven terrain. The breathable mesh upper is durable, with reinforced overlays in high-wear areas for added protection. A TPU mudguard and toe cap shield your feet from trail debris, keeping you comfortable mile after mile on rugged mountain paths. Number 4. Barefoot Men's Trail Running Shoe. These Barefoot Men's Trail Running Shoe feature premium rubber soles with textured grooves to provide excellent grip and stability, making it easier to maintain balance on slippery surfaces and prevent slipping. Designed as barefoot shoes for both men and women, they have a wide toe box that allows your toes to relax and stretch naturally, keeping the forefoot comfortable and promoting unrestricted movement with every step. The breathable mesh upper is made from high-stretch, lightweight fabric that enhances airflow and comfort, helping to keep your feet dry and fresh even during intense workouts. Featuring a zero-drop sole, these shoes maintain a natural foot position for proper posture and balance, reducing pressure on the soles and stimulating foot muscle exercise for easier, more beneficial walking. Available in multiple colors, these versatile trail running shoes are perfect for a wide range of activities including running, hiking, cycling, camping, rock climbing, yoga, and more. Number 3. Fitville Extra Wide Trail Running Shoe. These Fitville trail running shoes feature a wide toe box designed to give your toes freedom of movement while reducing pressure points and alleviating foot pain caused by conditions like plantar fasciitis, arthritis, bunions, and more. Built to last, they shield your feet from rough trails without compromising comfort. The enhanced grip outsole provides outstanding slip resistance, offering excellent traction across various terrains so you can run with confidence. Designed for dynamic stability, these shoes balance reliable support with quick responsiveness, helping you maintain agility on any trail. The advanced midsole delivers all-day comfort and energy return, making every step feel smooth and enjoyable. Weighing approximately 1.47 pounds per pair, size 9, the breathable mesh upper ensures optimal airflow to keep your feet fresh and comfortable throughout your run. Perfect for runners seeking durability, comfort, and performance on challenging trails. Number 2. Chrysley Men's Trail Running Shoe. These Chrysley Men's Trail Running Shoes feature a stylish knitted mesh upper that provides a snug, sock-like fit. The breathable and lightweight mesh keeps your feet dry and cool, ensuring all-day comfort. With a colorful and unique design, these shoes will make you stand out and turn heads wherever you go. The durable rubber sole is built to last, extending the life of your shoes even with regular wear. Designed with slip-resistant grooves, the sole offers excellent traction and wear resistance, helping you stay steady on various surfaces. Perfectly versatile, these sneakers are suitable for a wide range of activities including jogging, walking, running, gym workouts, hiking, camping, casual outings, and daily errands. Whether you're hitting the gym or the streets, These shoes combine fashion and function for your active lifestyle. Number 1. SmartBest Men Trail Running Shoe. Experience all-day comfort and reliable performance with these stylish SmartBest Men Trail Running Shoe. Designed with a fashion-forward lace-up closure, these shoes feature a breathable mesh fabric upper that offers a lightweight, snug fit while promoting maximum airflow to keep your feet cool and dry. The interior includes a unique honeycomb hole design that helps absorb sweat and reduce odors, enhancing overall foot comfort during long wear. Built for stability and traction, the thermoplastic polyurethane (TPU) sole delivers excellent grip on various surfaces, making these sneakers ideal for walking, running, or casual everyday activities. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a jog, or navigating city streets, these shoes offer the perfect combination of function and fashion. Their versatile design makes them a great choice for anyone seeking dependable footwear with a modern look and high-performance features. Step into comfort and confidence with these durable and breathable athletic sneakers. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.